Hello friends, this is Vivek Sharma, Assistant Professor in Department of IT in Biyani Group of College. Welcome all of you in Guru KPO. Today I am here to deliver a lecture on classification of data structure. As we all know, data structure is one of the core subject of computer science. So, we discuss today classification of data structure. Actually, data structure is a logical or mathematical model of a particular organization. So, primary data structure is divided into two categories. First one is primitive data structures and second one is non-primitive data structures. In case of primitive data structures, integer, real, character and boolean type is considered in case of the primitive data structures. In case of non-primitive data structures, it is further divided into two subcategories. First one is linear data structures and second one is non-linear data structures. Linear data structures just like stack, queue, array, linked list, and in case of non-linear, tree and graph. Linear means something which is just like a sequential, one by one is called linear, sequential fashion. In case of the non-linear, data will be stored in different mode, just like a tree or graph. So, here we can cover all these topics. I am discussing about stack. As we told earlier, it is a type of linear data structure. Second key point about stack, it is also called last in first out LIFO structure. It is a linear list in which insertion and deletion can take place at one end called top of the stack. Means we can insert and delete element from top of the stack. There is a pointer which always point top position of the stack. Third key point, this means in particular that elements are removed from a stack in reverse order of that in which they were inserted into the stack. There are basically two operations which we can perform it here. First one is push operation and second one is pop operation. In case of push operation, insert an element into a stack, and in case of pop operation, delete an element from a stack. In both these cases, insertion and deletion always at the point of top of the stack. Now, we are taking example of stack. In this case, we have three elements A, B, C. So, top indicates C position. If we want to insert new element, it will inserted after the C. So, new stack will be created and it will store here A, B, C. So, after insert D, picture comes here. If we want to, each time when we insert, top is always increased by top equal to top plus 1. This is the logical equation. Each time when we insert new element onto the stack, top is increased by default 1. Suppose we have to insert new element E, it will inserted after the E. So, top will store. Now, top will be here. And similarly, suppose we want to delete element from the stack, it will remove from the top of the stack. In this case, top will be decreased by default 1. In case of this is the condition for insert, and condition for deletion. So, first we can delete E, now top will point to D position and pointer will be indicate here. Now, we are going to discuss stack push procedure. In this case, we have an stack, top element of stack, maximum max stack, it indicates maximum size of stack, and last one, fourth one is item which we want to insert on the stack. Step number 1, if top equal to max stack, if top equal to max stack, in this case suppose we have a stack, we can see easily here, we have a stack, it contains 5 elements A, B, C, D, E, and top indicates 5. In this case, stack is already full. Suppose such type of condition is exist, then print overflow and return. We cannot insert item onto the stack. If it is not so, then set top equal to top plus 1. Suppose our stack size is 6. In this case, top will denote here. In this case, top will, in this case, set top equal to top plus 1. Now, top will point to 6th position. Set stack top equal to item. Then we have an item A, B, X, Y something. So, we will easily insert this item. Suppose item equal to X. So, now X will store in top position and return. So, we can easily insert item by using stack procedure. Now, we discuss pop procedure. In this case, we have stack, top of the stack and item which we want to pop from the stack. This procedure delete topmost element of the stack. First step is if top equal to 0, suppose top indicates 0, in this case there is no element inside a stack. So, we can say print underflow condition. This is called underflow, where there is no element inside a stack, and return. Suppose our stack, and if there is no element, this is the stack 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and there is no element, then it print underflow condition. If it is not so, then set item equal to stack top. Suppose we have 5 elements inside stack, then step number 2, item equal to stack top. Element which will exist on top of the stack will store into the item. Now, set top equal to top minus 1. In this case, E is deleted here and top will point fourth position of the stack and return. So, these are the basic steps by which easily insert or delete item from the stack. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel gurukpo.com. Please like, subscribe and comment our YouTube lectures. Thank you.